name is Wholesale, but my friends call me Prestley. I like to make money. I'm an independent filmmaker, and I did a little music production in my time. My work has been successful, and I sold millions of records around the world. Now I'm ready to diversify and get into new businesses. Follow me as I learn new ways to make millions and millions of dollars. This is Making Money with Prestley Snipes. Let's make some money. Oh no, I'm not taking you. Are you rolling? Mm-hmm. This is episode 9 or is this episode 8 of Making Money with Prestley Snipes? I'm about to get another check. A big one too. And it has nothing to do with real estate. This is a check I'm about to get for some music royalties from some song I made 5 years ago.
On the corner flipping hard.
They want to give me some more money for it. I made over $500,000 off that song. Now they said they want to give me some more money. I said, bring it on. So here's the notary lady. What's your name? You mind if you get on the episode?
I don't mind.
So here's the notary right here.
Hi.
She just brought me all this paperwork. So Prestley Snipes is about to get another check. Hey, I got some real estate checks coming tomorrow too. Stay tuned. This is episode 9. Is this episode 8? Episode 8. Making Money with Prestley Snipes. We getting to the money now. We get into the money. I'm gonna finish signing this deal, and yeah, stay tuned. Episode 9 coming soon. I hope I'm right. I hope it's not episode 8. Anyway, episode 8, Making Money with Prestley Snipes. Okay. You see me signing that deal? See me getting that money? I ain't playing. I told you I was gonna share the money. All right. I'm done. Everybody was asking me what's the new episode, and I didn't know what it was gonna be. And just so I wasn't even expecting this. They called me last week. They said they had a check for me. And I'm about to get a check. Couple more days. So I don't know. We're gonna do some fun stuff in the next few episodes. Gonna buy some new equipment, and good stuff is gonna happen. Good stuff is gonna be happening soon. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Make Money with Prestley Snipes, episode 9.
Okay, this is your W-9. So you just want to look through here and make sure everything is okay. And then we're going to sign and date it.
You rolling? Okay. I'm about to go to the Gucci store tomorrow. No, I'm joking. But this is good that this is happening. Like, in all seriousness, this is good that this is happening because I'm looking to invest more into my real estate business, and the fact that I had other income coming in, and I wasn't just like trying to go into the real estate business without other sources of income, it's been helping me. I know it's probably hard for people who don't have other income. They get into real estate to get started, but I'm blessed. So yeah, man, I plan on using this to invest in this real estate business that you've been seeing me get involved with. I got some new deals. I got like 5 houses for sale now. Like, I went from not selling no houses in the last 2 episodes to now I got 5 houses for sale right now, and one of them is closing tomorrow. I got a check from one of the houses I'm selling. It's closing. I got deals coming left and right. So anybody that wants to do JV deals with me, contact me. I got a lot of properties I got more properties than I can sell right now, and I'm looking to partner up with some people on some real estate deals. But yeah, this music money from this work I did 5 years ago, it's really work I did 10 years ago. It's coming back and it's becoming residual income, and now I'm able to invest it in other things. Like I've already went through my stage where I'm buying cars and jewelry and all that shit, jewelry and gold and Mercedes and Benzes and Gucci. I've already went through that stage. Now I'm at the stage where I'm gonna take this money and do good with it, save some, invest it. So I'm in a good space right now. I'm really happy with. I mean, it took time. So a lot of I'm a little older, so it took time for me to get to this point. But I think I'm gonna make some good moves with this money. So it's a blessing. Like I said, I wasn't even expecting this check. I wasn't even expecting it, and it just came. And that's really how life is. That's how God is. Like when you forget about money and you stop thinking about, you just focus on what's good. I've been focusing on my family lately, and that's what I've been doing, focusing on my family, and now money is coming. The minute I stop thinking about money, it's just coming in abundance, so yeah, so I'm blessed, and I'm not gonna talk your ear off. Episode 10, Major Money, Prestley, Snipes coming soon. We'll finish signing this paperwork. Stay tuned.